Court judgment cannot be dismissed by Rivers government. Chidi Lloyd speaks. Chairman of the Emoho Local Government Area in Rivers State, Dr. Chidi Lloyd, has hailed the judgment of a state high court that declared the 27 lawmakers led by Speaker Martins Omorile and as members of the People's Democratic Party and House of Assembly. Lloyd said the judgment will subside that a ruling of a court of competent jurisdiction could not be dismissed by mere press briefings of the state government. He said, and I quote, "The judgment was delivered today, so only the state government cannot be right." Lawyers and parties were in court to hear the judgment. The Attorney General dismissed the judgment of a court of competent jurisdiction as rumor. Let us see how far it goes. Press briefings cannot substitute appeal. When the judgment does not come in your favor, the best thing to do is appeal. Delving into the ruling of a court, lawyers said, and I quote, "The court gave judgment and said that at all material times, Martins Amaewhule is the speaker and the Oko Jumbo and two others who were suspended members of the assembly cannot constitute the business of the House." Those are the snippets of the judgment. The PDP joined the matter. Recall that the People Democratic Party asked to be joined by the court and the court joined the PDP. The PDP said it was not aware that the fellows left the party. Lloyd, who spoke to the nation, said the court declaration was in order, adding that the complainant failed to provide tangible evidence to show that the lawmakers really defected from the PDP to the All Progressive Congress APC. He said, "That is the difference in law. Raising the flag of a party does not make you a member of the party. If Nigeria is playing against Cameroon and South Africans raise the flag of Nigeria, does that confer citizenship on the South Africans? The law is not done with emotion. The way to prove membership of a political party is that your name must be inscribed in the register and that you must carry a card." Those who went to court were unable to tell the court that. The lawmakers did not take further steps after Fubara declaring that they were members of the APC. He said the judge ruling that the government must obey all laws passed by the Martins Amaewhule-led assembly meant that local government chairmen would not vacate office on June 17 following the tenure elongation law passed by the assembly. He said, and I quote, the judge went further to say, because Martins Amaewhule had not vacated his seat, that any law passed by them must be obeyed by the Rivers State government. What it means is that the local government amendment law, which is one of the laws passed by the assembly, must be obeyed by the government. And I am also to obey it by saying in office after June 17th, no Jupiter will stop it. I don't blame this judiciary. You see the judiciary, I don't blame them. So they are coming out now to say people can actually defend with positions. And I've come and, in fact, I don't know which thing I go talk. Can you mind? This chess game is too sweet. See politics, I come up from Wike'S, daylight abracadabra. I dey tell you. No be small abracadabra. Look at what is going on. Clearly, they just carry head, pull for tail. Carry tail, pull for head. You know when you dey na dey toss coin, you and somebody, na dey play, na dey toss coin. The person can't toss head. You can't come outside. Koro for the person in front. Carry head, pull for tail. Carry tail, pull for head. Say head na tail, tail na head. Now wetin we can do now? Does it make sense? So wetin e mean na both people wait. This matter, this reverse matter. You don't tire me, Kai. Does the courts, Rivers State High Court, have the jurisdiction to educate in such case? My dear, I tire. All this useless court judgment is because of one selfish man interested. Yes, before encore. If he is the owner of, let's see if he's the owner of River State, God will punish all you evil supporters, my dear. That is why I said enough of saying God will punish. It is high time we come outside and do the right thing. People of River State and people of Nigeria, we must not keep sitting down all the time and say God will help, God will punish, God will do this one. No. I said it before that Fubara should not rejoice yet because when these people kept quiet, they knew what they were doing. If you go to court to appeal, Wike'S sister-in-law is waiting for you guys there. If you go to Supreme Court, Wike and the federal government are also waiting. Do you understand? So Wike family own the judicial system of government. Welcome to Nigeria, my darling. Welcome to Nigeria. You dey see wetin dey happen for the country. That's why some people that cannot bear to stay, if they have the opportunity to japa, my sister, they will go because they cannot fathom it. They cannot fathom how things will be going on in this country. But you see people japa, yes, it is not just about the country's physical. It is the way things have gone so bad. Oh God. Very good question. Some Nigerians are so much brainwashed to the level that they could have lost their sense of reasoning. Could you imagine what a normal human being is writing? No. Oh, you don't understand. Oh, you don't know. Oh, my dear. Yes, they were saying Fubara should not rejoice yet because when these people get... This person is not supporting what's it called, Wike. This person is only stating the obvious. About 2 weeks to 3 weeks ago, I heard that Wike's sister-in-law, I been her wife safe go. I been the sister-in-law. Say she then call her to then give her one position like that. I know they following and they laugh. Not true. Meaning there are some things the teacher now she can take. Under how many minutes? I did tell you. My governor, please don't burn down the High Court too. Going through the court verdict, I believe Fubara has lost it. Court judges only give judgment based on evidence and not speculation. Until they present the official origination letter from PDP, their suits lack merit. They should accept the court verdict. Can you imagine? Do you know how this was going to affect this thing? It just be like make you and your enemy they work. Now what it be like now? Make you and your enemy they work, and there is absolutely nothing you can do about it. You go talk something your enemy go oppose them, go turn them against. It doesn't make sense. At this point in time, see, I'm going to say you go Fubara. I don't know what I go tell now. Whether you go carry your load they go house. Because to me, this frustration is getting too much. Which evidence do you want to see? When they publicly denounce their membership here in Port Harcourt at Polo Club. My dear, I tell you. From appeal court to the Supreme Court, let us see how it goes. But the truth is that the 27 lawmakers will never enjoy their tenure because they put sand inside their garri. Imagine make people papa. They misbehave up and down for middle of road. Nobody to reset their brain with a Rema code. It is now they will even sit with pride. Yes. It is now they sit with pride because they don't tell Fubara say there is nothing you can do. I hope you remember the case of Hope Uzodinma of Famous State. I'm not a fan of Wike, but it will show Fubara how politics is played in Nigeria. The appeal court and Supreme Court is under their control, and there is nothing Fubara can do to win. I pity him though, because this is Nigeria for you. At this point, if na me be Fubara, I will wash my hand and my leg, make them look. My mental health dey me very, very waiting. My mental health dey me waiting. It dey me important. Alright, on this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.